If you have a noise or a clinking in your Chevy Cobalt, you need to check this part first. It's an intermediate steering shaft. Take it off, one bolt here and other bolt here. Take it off from here, from underneath. So double check your car. If you have clinking noise, probably from the steering shaft.